In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $600 in 24 hours by reading emails. That's right, you heard me. You can earn $600 right now, every single day, by reading emails. If that interests you, keep on watching. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you are new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, or even start a business, then consider subscribing by clicking that big red button down below and join the creator nation of how you can turn your passion into a career. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel and help us reach more people to help people change their lives. Now, before we do get into the video of how you can earn $600 every 24 hours, I just want to let you guys know that I do have some merch available if you want to help support the channel. Links will always be in the description and they're linked in my YouTube shelf. Definitely go ahead and check those out. And also, if you want to join my Patreon, link is in the description. Definitely go ahead and have a look. Question of the day: what is the maximum amount of money that you've made in a single day? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm about to share my screen with you guys and show you the website. It's called Vindale.com, and they offer lots of ways that you can actually earn money online or through reading emails. Let's have a look. Alright guys, so here we are on Vindale.com, and you can see here it mentions to get paid to take surveys online. Now stop what you're thinking right there. This video is not about getting paid to do surveys. Clearly that's not what the title recommends, and you're probably aware that your time is not best spent trying to make money through surveys. But that being said, they do offer surveys through this website as well. Now, one of the best features of this website is they can either pay directly to your bank account or they'll pay you through your PayPal, whatever you prefer. And it's a really great way to make some easy money. Okay, so as we can see here, the Vindale members have earned more than $7,939,326 from earning money through these surveys, by earning money just by reading emails. Now you're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot of money, and this just shows the potential that you can earn through using VindaleResearch.com. So we can see here, these are the different topics you can choose from. So you can do cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, new technology, popular restaurants, home improvements, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, travel and leisure. Now I've found that the shopping category is the best one to earn money from. That being said, I'm not saying that you can guarantee you'll make the most money from the shopping category, but I've found that that is the best one for value for money. What I would recommend doing is going ahead and trying each of the categories and actually determining which one is going to make you the best money per hour. So you can basically make, through reading these emails and giving your feedback, you can earn about $25 per hour that I've found through the shopping and fashion category. And it's some pretty good money for your time. As long as you can do it correctly and they get all the information that they need, then you can make a maximum of $25 an hour. So if we click on shopping and fashion, for example, this will kind of show you the paid ones that you can go through. So you can see here, earn $10, earn $3.50, earn $14.60, earn $5.50. So at the moment, the highest one you're looking at would be $14.60, which isn't too bad for 60 minutes of your time. Like I said, the maximum you'd probably be looking at would be about $25, but we can clearly see here that there's lots of different options. You can obviously do ones for a less amount of time, so you could get $3.50 for 17 minutes, but you'll generally find these longer ones will make your time better spent. For example, this one's earned $10 for 35 minutes. So for just over an hour and 10 minutes, you would be earning $20 if you found two $10 examples. Now, one thing to be aware of is with these ones, they generally choose people that are located in their areas. So this can be for a problem if you don't live in the United States or Canada. So what you can actually do is you can go ahead and get free VPNs. And what a VPN is, it stands for Virtual Private Network, and it gives you an IP address that makes them believe that you're in their country. And this is the only way to really do it, to get these higher paid rates. You'll find that if a lot of the times, if you're not in their country, then they're not going to allow you to do that particular survey. Just go here, free VPN. And we just have a look here, Express VPN. And it's just an example of a VPN that you can use. Not all of them are free. This particular one says that it's better than a a free VPN because they reckon theirs is better quality. You can definitely use VPNs for free. This was just an example of one that you can use, and like I said, it's a virtual private network and it changes your IP address to make the website think that you live in that country. So I would highly recommend getting a VPN if you don't live in Canada or the United States. This is going to allow you to be able to complete these surveys and to earn a maximum of $25 per hour. Now the thing is, with the application process, you do need to put in your address. What you can actually do is go ahead and Google search for a United States address or a Canada address, and then you can just put that in as your address. Very, very easy to do. You just would literally search on Google Maps and that will bring up an address that you can use as the address that you live in. Now you can also make money through referrals. So if we go ahead and have a look here, so here you can see here ways to earn. You get paid for the studies, and you get, there's the referral program. So if we click on learn more here, so here is the referral program. You can get $5 for every friend referral. So if you have 100 friends on Facebook, you could go ahead and refer this to every single one of those. Even if say 20 of those signed up, that's $5 for each person that signed up for you. So you'd be making some pretty good money just from getting some referrals. And I mean, it's not the best way, but there's definitely potential in earning money for referrals. So you get $5 for every friend referral that you do, and they don't even necessarily have to use it. All they have to do is sign up, and as long as they use your referral link, then you're going to make money through the referrals. If you have some kind of traffic source, some way of reaching a larger audience, you could definitely do referrals through there as well. Also, moving in from referrals, every time you sign up, they give you $1 free for a sign up. So every single sign up you will earn $1 as well. So I believe that's included with the referral. You'll get $5 for every friend that signs up through Vindale Research, and then you'll get an extra $1 for that as well. But the best thing about this website is they pay you straight away into either your PayPal account or your bank account number, as long as you use a VPN, because a lot of people might live outside of the United States and Canada. So you're able to use a free VPN that's going to allow you to earn money through this website. You'll find with any survey or any type of website that's based in the United States or Canada, they generally don't want people outside of those regions. So definitely go ahead and get a free VPN, and you're going to earn some serious money, a maximum of $25 per hour just by reading some simple emails. Right guys, that was VindaleResearch.com, where you can earn a maximum of $25 per hour just by reading some simple emails. And the best way I can recommend doing this is if you don't live in the areas that they need, then you can definitely go ahead and use a VPN to be able to get the same money that someone would who lived in those countries. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and let me know if you've managed to give this a try and what success rate you have had. I would highly recommend doing it to earn a little bit of money. And the best way to start generating money is to start earning as little as you can from these simple websites, making sure that you're good with your money, that you save your money, and then you invest it into things that are going to earn you more and more money. And that's how you can really be successful earning money online. So I would highly recommend giving this website a try. There's definitely lots of other ones that you can do, but I have found this one has been the most successful. So definitely go ahead and check it out. If you did enjoy this video, I know you love these other videos, go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.